Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to get free TikTok views, likes, etc. from a website that I found, and it's completely free. You can do this, and I also have a bot to do this. First up, you wanna go to your browser and type zephoi.com. After that, you wanna enter the captcha, which it's gonna be different every time, but yeah, right here it's attention, and you have these things. You can add followers, heads, comment heads, shares, views, anything you want. I'm just gonna add views, so I'm just gonna click on that, and it's gonna say enter video URL, and I need to enter a TikTok URL. So I'm just gonna go on TikTok, and I'll just search for anything random. Let's get on this channel, on this guy. Okay, this has 300 views. Okay, I'm just gonna go to this dude, copy the link, and as you can see, there's 300 views. I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna click on search. It's gonna give me a timer. When I wait that, it's a button is gonna come up. So let's wait. So now it says next submit, ready. If I refresh this, as you can see, it's still at 300. So when I click on search and click on this button right here, I'm waiting, and it sent the views. And now in 2 minutes I can send views again. And if I refresh, it added 1,500 views, and it's not always going to be 1,500. It's going to be from 800 to 2,000 views. It's going to be around a number between those. And if you search a little bit, you can find a automation bot. So I'm just going to search on GitHub. So I just found this on GitHub, and it's pretty easy to do. So I'm just going to open up my command prompt. So I'm just copying the link, and I'm cloning this, and I have a bot. And as you can see right here, you can also download the code like this, download zip. So what it tells us to do is clone it, go inside this, and now it wants us to install some Python packages. So I'm just going to install them. It's installed. Okay, so now we can just open this. I'm gonna go to view bot, put my link, and it's gonna ask me for the verification, which you just need to put once, and that's how this bot works. And it's gonna click on views and add my link. And as you can see, it will forever give views to that video automatically, and you don't have anything. You don't have to do anything. You can just put that on a laptop or anything or something, and it's just gonna work automatically. And that way you can boost your views on TikTok, as you can see. I'm gonna have the links in the description for the site and the bot if you want it. If you want me to continue making videos like this with cool little stuff that I find online, be sure to like the video and subscribe. So for now, bye.